conditions which is not being done in many hospitals across India. We have very few hospitals which can cater to such complex diseases.
Given the fact that this was our first procedure and we had a good outcome.
I am Dr. Amita Vikrama. I am a consultant interventional radiologist working at Apollo Hospitals, Bannerghatta Road, Bangalore. Here we do a lot of minimally invasive procedures so that we can avoid a major surgery. So in this 75-year-old man who came with severe abdominal pain and significant bleeding due to aneurysmal dilatation of aorta. So aorta is a major blood vessels which carries away all the blood from the heart, then it gives to rest of the body. So this particular vessel, when it was there in the abdomen, it got dilated, that means ballooned out like an aneurysm, and then it was at the verge of a rupture which can be fatal. So when this patient came to us after visiting many hospitals, so we thought of providing him the minimally invasive surgery, because this is a very morbid condition. We lose 50% of these patients by doing surgeries. So in him we didn't want to take him for a major open surgery. So we decided that we'll go ahead with endovascular repair. We call it as an EVAR, EVAR, that is endovascular aortic repair. But he was not suited for this standard EVAR, as the blood vessels supplying the kidneys were very close to the aneurysm. So there were two ways: either we lose the blood supply to the kidney, or we are unable to stop bleeding from that aorta. So we had to address both of these issues. So we thought of doing fenestrated EVAR, that is, we put some holes in these grafts and then we deploy this graft into the aorta, so that through these fenestrae or the holes, the kidneys will get the blood supply and the aneurysmally dilated aorta will be deprived of the supply and it flows through this graft into the distal vessels. So this is one of the conditions which is not being done in many hospitals across India. We have very few hospitals which can cater to such complex diseases. Especially in our hospital in Apollo, this was the first of the kind we did, and it went on well as planned.
I am Dr. Arul Furtado, a cardiovascular and thoracic surgeon at Apollo Hospitals, Bannerghatta, Bangalore. Just to reiterate what Dr. Amita Vikrama has already mentioned, this was a very challenging case for us. Initially referred to the Department of Cardiovascular and Thoracic Surgery for our opinion. And given the particular details regarding the patient, given the fact that he was elderly, he had comorbidities like borderline kidney function and also borderline lung function, we also thought that an endovascular approach would be the best option for this patient. And I would like to say that it was a team effort involving all of us: interventional radiology, cardiology, cardiovascular surgery, cardiac anesthesia, and I think we all came together very well to give a good outcome to this patient. Given the fact that this was our first procedure and we had a good outcome, I think we are pretty well geared up to serve much more patients who have such conditions, especially aneurysms of the abdominal aorta, thoracoabdominal aneurysms, and even arch aneurysms. Patients who have got residual aneurysmal disease or dissection following surgery, initially open, can be well managed by these conditions, and we look forward to serve much more of these patients.